I'm one of a kind.
Come to LT Customs. I think I came up with a number in my brain, and it's $1 billion to do this.
What are you talking about?
To fix this piece of here, E90. BMW. Slow V6. So we're gonna be putting this new steering wheel on this 2008 Hellcat swapped Charger. We need to talk about a sponsorship with Jerkbait for real. First step, and that's disconnecting the battery so airbag don't go boom boom. And there's these 10 mils on the back. I can't. So there's two 10 mils, one here, and then one back on the other side. You're gonna have to just take those off, you know, it's pretty fucking easy. These guys are kind of tricky to get off. You gotta like push these sides in, then pop this clip. There we go. Boom, airbag disconnected. I wonder if this guy would just fit.
That'd be disgusting.
Yeah, it's kind of gross looking, dude. Oh, also, that's a problem. Millimeter bolt. No, we got that, but that's fucking fucked. Like an Allen key bit? I honestly don't even know the name for that. Tabs right here on the actual airbag. You can like push them in and pop them out and do all that, but we're just gonna cut them out. Never cut towards yourself like this either, guys. Yeah, I got blue shop towels, so I'm allowed to. Yeah, I wasn't lying either. But getting it past these hooks, man. Oh my God. All right, we'll cut this part. We'll be back when it's... Yeah, easy. Comes right off, dude. Didn't have to cut nothing out. Don't have to do nothing. It just comes off. So now we're disconnecting where the horn go, and then they're connected to the airbag. No idea, touchpad, horn thing, airbag sensor thing. Trying to get it out and into this one. I don't think it's gonna work because it keeps pushing the emblem out. I'm gonna just glue these pegs right here. A little dap around it. Because China doesn't do this from factory, so we gotta do what China didn't do. And do their job for them. Professional job right there. Yeah, grandma couldn't do better than that. Just, boom. Boom, it doesn't come out. Hell yeah. And how the that's gonna work, because that looks like shit. I'm not gonna lie, dude. That's not supposed to be like that. Cut it. Cut it. We'll just leave it like that. Yep, mint. Slap her on like that. She's ready to rock and roll. His horn. So this is like kind of the right size. It kind of fits in there. Milwaukee. Boom. Feed these wires out. Damn, this thing's tight, dude. This guy's gonna require additional steps. Oh wait, never mind. I don't think I even need this. This is just for cruise. So we might need this. Yeah, so this is like a whole mechanism itself. You can unbolt this and then you have your plug wires here. But we're gonna try to actually take this out and see if we can put it in the other wheel first. But if not, you know, we'll let you know, but probably not. So we have to take off the clock spring in order for the wheel to fit, because it won't fit in between this gap here. So it's just like a T10 to take these off. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. Clock spring comes right out. Simple, easy. We can record like this, it'll work. Yeah, this will work. Take clock spring off, take your 3 T10s off, and then your Dodge wheel will just fucking go right on. Yeah, pretty fucking crazy. Boom. Sheesh. You have a Hellcat now. It says SRT, it doesn't say Dodge. I can read too, so SRT. Yep. All these buttons functional as well. Trust, functional, all of them. They all work. Even the horn, see? We took out the clock spring, and then now we're time for the new wheel. Just pops right in. Boom. Get your little nut, put some Loctite on it. Make sure you use some more Loctite. Start it by hand. You don't want that little, you want the big boy. That's tight. Boom. So it's that easy, guys. Basically, just out with the old, in with the new. Nothing works on this wheel, but it looks better, so who cares, you know? Who needs an airbag anyways? Yeah, that's it. Don't do this to your car, please. No airbag, no safe. Bitch, I'm back out my coma. You don't like or subscribe. You are a. It's pretty good. Yeah. What do you think?